It is a web app that lets you buy drinks from local bars or participating bars, and then it generates a code that you can send basically as a gift to someone like friends or family, and they can redeem this code at the bar for a drink. So you can kind of buy them a round of drinks online and send them the code for it. So the idea was it was a way of sort of purchasing someone a drink online. And we used Spring Boot for the back end and Angular for the front end. And so this is our login page if you had an account. And this is obviously it'll save your login or your payment details if you're a customer. And if you were first signing up, this is what it would look like, because we would have two types of accounts. If you were a customer, it would let you browse local bars and browse their menus. And you could even have a saved sort of address book of people you want to send to. But if you're a retailer, you would have you'd be able to edit your menu and also have access to a database of all the current codes that you have, or all the current orders you have. And so customers come to you with the code that we generate, and the bars would be able to see if they have that code in their database, and customers would be able to redeem the code with the business. And so this is a very basic version of what it would look like. Right now we have it so you can pick a bar and then pick a drink, like let's say Moscow Mule. And so this could either just be for just database purposes, because what gets stored in the database is the order ID, the drink ID, because it only goes to the bar's database. And what would get stored was the recipient name, the sender name, as well as the drink ID. So that way, if there's multiple drinks or multiple orders for one person, you can go by ID. And so you would then proceed to payment, obviously. But so yeah, it's generated a code, and it's just sent that to me using Twilio, and we have that image, we'll have that screenshot shown on the dev post. And the customer would be able to say just, my name's Liam Havens, and I have a drink in my name, and they'd be able to check the database, and if they wanted to make sure it was the right drink or the right Liam Havens, they could check the code that also came with it. And we thought this would be a great way of, bars could even send out promotional drinks this way. It would be a great way of a unique new type of gift to give to a friend, if you want to give them a shared favorite drink for their birthday at your favorite bar, and maybe you can't be there or something. And it's also a great way for bars to get people coming in. If people have been gifted free drinks from friends, they gives them a reason to come into the bar. And so that's FoaMe. We will have an image of what the text looks like on the dev post.